Stop manually researching leads. I built this system in less than 10 minutes that does all of the heavy lifting for you. Let's get to work. Alrighty, gang, let us waste no time. Go ahead and create a scenario. I'm in make.com. The first module that we're going to choose is a Google Sheets search rows module. This is going to parse through our lead list and extract the information that we're looking for. And I'll show you the lead list in just one moment. Let me fill this out. Let's test this. Boom. As you can see, the information is pulling through properly. And just to show you the lead list, so we have domain, first name, last name, email, and then we're going to put an icebreaker in this last column. And so these are just randomized domains here, just for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, next node is going to be an HTTP module. If you're not aware, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is just a simple way to send information to and receive information from a web server. So we're going to mimic the structure of the URL at the top. We're going to place https:// and then drop that domain just like so. Now it's time to list the headers. And I'm going to paste this information in the description below, so feel free to grab that as you follow along. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Good deal. So it seems to be working properly, and it is. Okay, so 10 operations were ran. And just to show you what we're actually retrieving from these websites, it's going to be what's called the HTML. Okay, so we're going to use this information to structure our icebreaker. Next, add a text parser. Click HTML to text, and this is going to convert the HTML to text, believe it or not. Next, we're going to add a ChatGPT module. Click Create a Chat Completion. Connect your OpenAI account. Okay. And first, we're going to add our system prompt. This just sets the context for the conversation and primes the AI model for how we want it to respond to inputs. So let's say you are a precise data extractor for sales research. That's sufficient. Next is a user prompt. This is the actual input that we're including, and we're going to send over to OpenAI. And this says analyze the following web text. Okay. And I'm going to paste this in the description below, so do not fret. Let's grab that web text from the previous module. Let's grab the first name from the first module, and then the domain as well. And lastly, just to close the loop, we're going to send the result from ChatGPT back over to our Google Sheet. So let's add another Google Sheet module. Boom, update a row. And simply grab the same sheet that we had in the first module. Okay. And just follow along here, guys. We are almost there. And we just want to send over the icebreaker from OpenAI. So let's grab that result. Now the moment of truth. Let's run this guy. Perfect. Okay, let's check our lead list. Sweet. As you can see, it is populating for us. So this is extracting information from the domain at the very left, and then it's creating an icebreaker or just a conversation starter for our lead. And just to keep in mind, when you create an icebreaker in your cold email sequence and send this to your potential prospect, this significantly increases the probability of them actually responding and wanting to work with you, because you're not just coming at them with your offer, you're coming at them with something warm, something human, we could say. So I use these icebreakers in cold email sequences, and I'll get to that in a later video, but just wanted to show you guys how this works in practice. Alrighty guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this kind of stuff, definitely check out Compound School. This is a 90-day optimized program that's going to take you from where you are today to your first paying customer for your online business. And like, subscribe, and just holla at your boy. Thank you.